Keenan and Nicole. Ready to get married? So Keenan, I'm going to invite you to go first. All you need to do is say this after me. I, Keenan.
I, Keenan.
I, Nicole.
Take you, Nicole.
Take you, Keenan.
To be my wife.
To be my husband.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forth.
From this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better or for worse.
For rich or for poor.
For rich or for poor.
In sickness and in health.
For sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
I give you this ring.
I give you this ring.
I give you this ring.
As I give you my heart.
As I give you my heart.
As constant as the rising of the sun.
As constant as the rising of the sun.
So will my love be for you.
So will my love be for you.
Through all that may come.
Through all that may come.
Through all our lives together.
Through all our lives together.
I choose to love you.
I choose to love you.
Beautiful.
These are the hands of your best friend. Young and strong and full of love for you, that are holding yours on your wedding day, as you promise to love each other, today, tomorrow, and forever. These are the hands that will work alongside yours as you build your future together. The hands that will passionately love you and cherish you through the years. And with the slightest touch will comfort you like no other. These are the hands that will hold you when fear or grief fills your mind. The hands that will countless times wipe the tears from your eyes. Tears of sorrow and tears of joy. These are the hands that will tenderly hold your children. The hands that will join your family as one. They will give you strength when you need it. Support and encouragement to pursue your dreams. And comfort you through difficult times. And lastly, these are the hands that even when wrinkled and aged, will still be reaching for yours. Still giving you the same unspoken tenderness. Just a touch. Nicole and Keenan, may you know nothing but happiness from this day forward. May the road rise to meet you, and may the wind be always at your back. May the warm rays of sun fall upon your home, and may the hand of a friend always be near. May green be the grass you walk on, may blue be the skies above you, may pure be the joys that surround you, may true be the hearts that love you. So today, you beautiful pair, your very own clifftop, in front of your very own castle, you two have made life-changing vows to one another. You have given exchange rings, your hands have been fastened, and you have been blessed. Therefore, by the power given to me, so much joy, I can pronounce you are husband and wife. You may now kiss your bride.
You're beautiful, baby.